In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. We all of us have certain aims and objectives about our future. All of us want to achieve certain things. We want to prosper. We do have certain goals and want to achieve those. We feel that once we do achieve those goals, our life will become much better. We will be able to live happily and comfortably. That's fine. Having goals is a nice thing. But maybe there are certain contradictions which must be removed, because only then we will be able to work effectively. We will be able to work effectively. Our today, we want to live well today. We want to enjoy our today. That's fine. Many of us, most of us, we are spending most of our time, our energy, our finances, and other things in making our today good. Good mean more enjoyable. We want to enjoy more. That's fine. But there is a cost of enjoying that much. What is the cost of it? What is the hidden cost? What is the cost which we must be able to know and to understand? It is that our future is at stake. Making living comfortably today, enjoying more today is fine up to an extent. It's fine up to an extent. But once we start spending too much of our time, energy, finances, others on our today's pleasure, on our today's enjoyment, that we fail to work well, we fail to work effectively for our future. And the future is dearer to us as well. We will never be able to sacrifice it. At least willingly, we are not going to sacrifice it. Knowingly, we are not going to sacrifice it. But unknowingly, unwillingly, we might sacrifice it. One thing which we need to understand is, one thing which we must understand is that where our inclination is, what is the most important thing for us, either our today or our future. Momentary pleasures are long-term achievements. What we prefer most in our life. Enjoying our today is not bad. But working effectively for our future, it is necessary. It is necessary. The people who are working more for their today, for their today's pleasure, for their momentary, timely pleasures, to the amazement of the people, to the amazement of mine, to the amazement of all the people maybe, they are less satisfied. They are found less satisfied as compared to the people who are working more on their long term goals. The people who are working more for their long term goals are satisfied, more content as compared to the people who are spending almost all of their time, energy, finances, and other resources on their momentary, on their temporary players. Because today's players are consumed and forgotten. Today's players are consumed and forgotten. But whatever you have invested for your future, it stays there. It is not gone anywhere else, and it will remain available. And even if it is in the pipeline, still you can enjoy more. You can draw more satisfaction, contentment, and happiness, because this is a player of the future, and whatever you have consumed was a player of the past. Whatever you are consuming, it is a player of today. But as for the player of tomorrow is concerned, as for the player of the future is concerned, I think it is far more important and it is more necessary. What do you think? So I am of the view that we have to remove a kind of contradiction which is there, and if at all we fail to remove this contradiction, I think that we will not be able to move forward, we will not be able to develop, and we will not be able to grow. So there is a contradiction, there is a contradiction between whether I should enjoy more for today, or I should invest more for my tomorrow. Enjoying today, being comfortable for today, it is necessary up to an extent. It is necessary up to an extent. Totally eradicating it out of your engagements, out of your priorities, I think it is absolutely nonsense, because by doing this we will lose the balance in our life, and once we do lose the balance in our life, obviously we are going to suffer. Our mental health will suffer, our physical health will suffer. Without sacrificing for our tomorrow, without sacrificing for our long term goals, without sacrificing for our sacrificing our future, I think that we should enjoy our today. This is the kind of amendment, a bit of amendment which I am suggesting. Instead of adopting the motto of have maximum player today because today is more important, instead of following this motto, I have suggested somewhat, I have suggested a little bit in this motto, and I shall like to say that without sacrificing for our future, without sacrificing our tomorrow, let's enjoy today. Work for your future must. Work for your future first. Work for your tomorrow first, and enjoy then in the evening, even in the midday. But work for your future is a must. Work for your tomorrow is a must. Work for your future is a must. Working for the long term goals is a must. Thank you.